Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix network discovery is turned off. Network computers and devices are not visible Windows 11. To start, in the search box, enter Control. Open the Control panel. After that, click on Network and the Internet. Now click on Network and Sharing Center. Then, you are going to click on the option, Change Advanced Sharing Settings. You will see that the Settings utility opens. Here, you can validate on the available networks, public and private, that the switches, network discovery, and file and printer sharing are active. This will solve the error and allows the computers and devices to be visible. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.